Hey, how's it going? Thanks for clicking on the video. So today I'm going to get started working on fixing what I messed up whenever I did the burnout over the weekend. So get this shut real quick. So what went down is, you can tell right here, my weld's broke. So it won't be too bad. We'll get it cleaned up. Probably cut these down and then zest it all back together and call it a good day. It rocked the pinion up and put the U-joint in a bind, so we'll get that taken care of. It's going to take a couple minutes to get it done. It's not going to be too bad. And then just get it ready for maybe some shenanigans this weekend. So going to get some music going, going to pull the welder out, get all this straightened up the way it needs to be, get everything cut down, and then get the juice back together, get the pinion angle, everything set, give the truck a good once over, make sure everything's still good. That's probably going to be it until the sun goes down, because it's pretty warm. So we got the fan going, so well, stay a little cooled off. Shouldn't be too bad. I'm excited. I'm really hoping to maybe get during the next week or two, after doing some more shenaniganery out on the roads and stuff, to try to get all the bigger loose ends and the things that break, or that are gonna break, try to get those out of the way, and then go out to Tulsa drag strip and see what it'll do for a quarter. So if they'll even let me run it. There's no telling if they'll even let me run it, but we'll see. So right now we're gonna get all this buttoned up and go from there. Alright, so we got the 4-link put back together. I got everything welded together. I built a little gusset. I'll show you right here. So I have a gusset on the inside, right there. So it should stop it from being able to flex whenever we give it some goose. So I have everything hooked back up. I do need to measure from, point to point, to make sure everything's square on both sides. I ran out of wire, so the only reason why I didn't finish welding everything up, but there's that side. Those welds look like crap, don't worry about them. But anyway, since we got both sides tacked up pretty well, I'll measure, make sure everything is good and square, and then take it for a little trip around the block, make sure it runs, everything rides pretty well. And that's probably going to be it for the night. I'm smoking hot. It's not even that hot out today is the bad part. And my shirt's soaked down to my belly button. So, other than that, everything looks pretty good still. So, like I said, I'm just going to measure, make sure everything's still squared up, and it's going to track true. And then take it for a quick cruise around the block. So, I'll get back with you whenever we go for the ride. Alright, so took it for a little trip around the block, ran fine. I think I need to adjust the carburetor a little bit. It's got a rough idle now, so we'll still look into that. I'd love to get a wideband sensor or O2 sensor and actually be able to see what my FRs are, but hell with her. Mix her fat and just let her go, I guess. 4-link did fine, everything rode real nice. Got a couple more neighbors that stared at the truck, so all in all, pretty good little trip. I'm going to put some air in this tire, and then that's going to be it. So, thanks for watching the video. Have a great day. If you can't buy something, build something. That's the way you should do it.